Be patient. There is a second coming of Christ. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. Maybe you've been praying. It's been a long time. I've been waiting for God's coming. Of course, there is a second coming of Christ, but it will not come before we are all understand about Him, before all His people know about Him. There is a second coming of Christ, but we must be patient, keep doing the right thing, keep doing our best. Because when everything is being fulfilled, He is ready to come to get us and bring us to heaven.